Hey everyone, Sweet Rotten Robyn here. Let's learn how to add someone as an editor on Twitch. First thing you want to do is come to your icon at the top right and click on Creator Dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, it may look a little bit different from mine. You want to go to the top left and click on these three lines here. This will be your menu, and scroll down to this drop down called Community. Once you're there, you want to hit Roles Manager. And again, it may look a little bit different than this, but we'll go ahead and add a role. You may already have someone's name here, but if you don't, you can search for them. So you'll search for their name, add them, and then you can add roles. You can add them as a moderator, editor, or any other roles that you may have. So let's say you already have them as a moderator and you can't search for their name. You would just hit on this plus button here to add the role as editor. You want to save, and then you're done. You now have an editor on your channel.